Hey there, and welcome back. If you've made it this far, congrats! You've built a solid foundation in the Model Context Protocol. But we're going to kick things up a notch, because in this chapter, we're exploring advanced topics in MCP implementation. So if you're looking to build scalable, robust, enterprise-ready MCP applications, this is where it gets real. This chapter is all about making your MCP projects production grade. We'll explore multimodal integration, scalability techniques, security best practices, and how to integrate with enterprise systems like Azure and Microsoft AI Foundry. Each of these areas helps MCP move from simple prototypes to serious infrastructure, especially important for modern AI applications that operate at scale. Let's start with multimodal capabilities. Think beyond text. What happens when you want your MCP server to understand images, process audio, or generate video summaries? In this lesson, you'll see how to incorporate multimodal response handling into your MCP architecture, enabling richer interactions and broader application scenarios. Whether you're integrating with tools like SERP API or enabling real-time streaming responses, multimodal support is becoming a must-have. Next up, scalability. MCP servers aren't just for local testing. They're meant to be deployed in high-demand environments. That means your architecture should support horizontal scaling, container orchestration, and load balancing strategies. You'll explore patterns for scaling MCP services in cloud environments and how to optimize for both performance and cost. Of course, with scale comes responsibility, especially when it comes to securing your MCP server. Security is built into the MCP protocol, but real-world deployments require more. This chapter covers OAuth2 flows for both resource and authorization servers, protecting endpoints and issuing secure tokens, authenticating users with Microsoft Entra ID, and integrating with API management layers. These aren't just best practices, they're essential when your MCP server is part of a regulated or sensitive system. Enterprise integration is another major theme. You'll learn how to connect your MCP server with enterprise tools like Azure OpenAI and Microsoft AI Foundry. These integrations unlock features like tool orchestration, real-time web search, external API connections, and robust identity and access management. If you're building agents that operate in enterprise ecosystems, these lessons will help you future-proof your approach. This chapter includes a ton of hands-on samples, from routing and sampling strategies to real-time streaming and even integrating with Azure container apps. And if you're up for the challenge, there's an exercise that walks you through designing an enterprise-grade MCP implementation for a specific use case. It's a great way to apply everything you've been learning. Let's wrap with a few key takeaways. Multimodal MCP systems allow for richer user interactions. Scalability requires thoughtful architecture and resource management. Security is non-negotiable in enterprise environment. Enterprise integration brings MCP into alignment with real-world AI workflows. And optimization ensures your MCP server performs reliably at scale. So whether you're working on your first enterprise project or just curious about what's possible with MCP, these advanced topics will give you the tools to build with confidence. In the next chapter, we're going to explore how to engage with the MCP community and how to contribute to the MCP ecosystem.